How to watch YouTube on a JVC Smart TV. Watching YouTube on a JVC Smart TV is simple, whether you use the built-in YouTube app, cast from another device, or connect an external streaming device. Follow these steps. Method 1. Use the built-in YouTube app. Connect your TV to the internet. Navigate to Settings Network Wi-Fi and connect your TV to your Wi-Fi network. Alternatively, use a wired connection via Ethernet. Open the YouTube app. Press the Home button on your JVC remote. Look for the YouTube app in the Apps menu. If it's not available, download it from the App Store on your TV. Sign in to YouTube. Open the YouTube app. Select Sign in and follow the instructions. Enter your Google account credentials directly on the TV. Or visit youtube.com/activate on your phone or computer. Enter the code displayed on your TV and log in. Start watching. Browse or search for videos and play them directly on your TV. Method 2. Cast YouTube from a smartphone or computer. Ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Connect your JVC Smart TV and smartphone computer to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the YouTube app, launch YouTube on your smartphone, or go to youtube.com in a web browser on your computer. Tap the cast icon. While playing a video, tap the cast icon, a rectangle with Wi-Fi waves, in the app or browser. Select your JVC TV. Choose your JVC Smart TV from the list of available devices. The video will play on your TV. Method 3. Use an external streaming device. Connect a streaming device, plug in a Chromecast, Roku, Fire Stick, or similar device into your TV's HDMI port. Install the YouTube app. Access the device's App Store, download the YouTube app, and sign in with your Google account. Watch videos. Use the streaming device to browse and play YouTube videos on your JVC TV. Method 4. Screen mirroring. Enable screen mirroring on your JVC TV. Navigate to Settings, Screen Mirroring, and turn it on. Mirror your device screen. On your smartphone, enable screen mirroring, Miracast for Android or AirPlay for iOS. Select your JVC TV from the list of available devices. Play YouTube videos. Open the YouTube app on your phone and play videos, which will mirror to your TV. By following these steps, you can watch YouTube on your JVC Smart TV effortlessly.